Welcome to the lesson on greatest common factor for page 24 from your Florida Reveals math book. The very first example on there is a word problem about Mrs. Sturgis. She wants to divide students into equal groups with the same number of students from each class in each group. And how many groups will there be when she has volunteers to help with a STEM project for the day? So she has 12 students from her first class. She's got 28 students from her second class and 20 students from her third class. We're going to follow the 3 steps of finding the greatest common factor. First, you're going to list all the factors. So I listed all of the factors for 12, 28, and 20. And once I listed my list in a numerical order from least to greatest, you just come down the side 1, 2, 3, and then back up the other side 4, 6, 12, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28, and then 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. You find the common factors, that's step 2, and I circled those in red. And I circled everything that they shared. They all shared a 1, a common factor of 2, and they have a common factor of 4. So I listed those common factors 1, 2, and 4, and then the last and final step, the greatest common factor that they share is 4. So my complete sentence, because we always write incomplete sentences, Miss Sturgis can make 4 groups with the same number of students in each group. Now, there was a check that was at the bottom of that next page. And we're still on page 24. There were 200 boys, 180 girls, and 60 teachers participating in the school field day. If the participants are divided into groups so that each group has the same number of boys, girls, and teachers, how many groups will there be? Once again, you're going to follow the 3 steps. List all of your factors, identify your common factors, and then identify the greatest common factor. So you're going to pause the video right here, and you're going to do those 3 steps to find the greatest common factor. That will tell you how many groups that can be made for the school field day. Pause the video. Okay, so you might have it all finished now. And step 1, you listed all the factors. I'm hoping that you got all of the factors listed. And I didn't list them from left to right this time. I left them in this format and identified the ones that they shared. They all shared a 2, they all shared a 4, a 5, a 10, a 20. And then I identified the common factors by circling them in red. And then, of course, finding the biggest one is the easiest. Identify the greatest common factor, and you write in a complete sentence. There will be 20 groups for the school field day. And that is all for page 24. Thank you for watching.